Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Idioti. In this today's video, we are going to discuss about state eligibility test any region. So recently, one notification has been issued by the SLET NE official website. So when you will go to the official website sletne.org, you will get this notification, and here is the notification. So let's see what they have mentioned in the notification. So firstly, so this state eligibility test 2026 is conducted by SLET Commission Assam. It is going to be held on 15 March Sunday. So this is the most important date. The date of examination is going to be 15 March of this, like 15 of March, and it will be the Sunday of 2026 to 15 March. So in all universities and center, it's going to held in this 15 March. So to know about the syllabus and the subject code and every information, you can go through this website www.slet.org, as I have mentioned already. And then you have to for the application process, you need to go through this sletneonline.co.in, and then so this is the website for online application. You can apply for the registration form. You can fill up the registration form through here, and these are the official website. Here you can go through it, and we will mention it in the description box. From that also you can access it. So yeah, let's see the when you can do the registration and all. So let me mark the important things in the notice so that it will be easy for you. Wait, yeah, so this is the date of examination, 15 March. This is the official website link for the notice for application. This is one, and this website may also be consulted, but we'll have to log in to the linkage and other website. This also you can go for the application. So these are optional like same link, you can just go through it. So the payment options are given here. So there are various type of payment option, you can use any of them. So next, the application process is started from today 21 November to 5 of January 2026. So payment is open till 20th January. So there is some like more payment you can pay after your registration form fill up also. Yeah, now let's go to the official website. What is here? So if we go to this SLET or ne.org, you will get this notification, and then again, wait, yeah, for this official uh, bulletin, for this official prospectus, you have to go to this website online.co.in. So after clicking into it, you will get this interface. Here you will get, if you click here, you will get the notification for all details here. This is the, yeah, wait, yeah, this is the information bulletin. This is the prospectus of SLET. Here they have given the subject codes, they have given the pattern of the syllabus, the marking scheme, how they will mark, which portion carry which how many marks, about the reservation things also they have mentioned. And here is the center and center course. So these are the centers where the SLET they are going to conduct the examination SLET. So this is the center in every state of Northeast. There is one center, and in Guwahati, in Assam, there is yeah, this 4 center. Others they have one center in each state of Northeast. So you can apply, give the preference to your nearest center. So then next, sense of test center. This is also something here, you can go through it how to do it. And the syllabus, for the syllabus you have to go to this website again. After clicking here, you will go get a detailed syllabus. And again, the marking scheme, first paper will carry 100 marks, and the second paper will carry 200 mark for every subject, and the number of question will be 50, 100, and this duration is 5 and 1 hour, and this is 2 hours. So this exam is going to held in one day, and there will be uh, two two part of the exam, like 1 hour, one half, and then there will be some gap in between, and then maybe, yeah, half an hour gap, and after that the next half will start. So in every subject for this, and each question will carry 2 marks. So for every subject this is same, each question will carry 2 marks, and there will be no negative marks. So again, for paper 1 they have the syllabus will be same, and the paper will be same for every subject irrespective of science, arts, and everything. So, and then the criteria who can give and everything is here, and then they have given the reservation scheme also, and you will see the, yeah, guideline for test application form. You can give one test, like a mock test type of thing, you can go through it. Actually, I'm not going to very detail. If you want a detailed video, please comment down below. I will make one detailed video in this information bulletin, or you can also read and go through it. And this is the test format, and here is the centers, and there is somewhere the test fees. See, the fees of form fill up fees is for general is 1300, OBC is 1150, and this general EWS same, and SC ST PWD is this. So this is all, this is the center, and the center in charge name also given here, and their mobile number and address also. So if you have any problem, you can contact. So hope you like this video, and thank you for clicking into this video. For this type of video, please subscribe our channel for all information to get in time. So you can share to your friend, and please subscribe our video YouTube channel for more videos like this, and like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching.